Hello, wonderful friends, and welcome to December. As the holiday fills the air with cheer, doesn't it feel like the perfect time to reflect on the biggest gift you can give yourself? The freedom and comfort of your ideal retirement home. Here in Delaware, December is truly a magical time. We enjoy a relatively mild winter, meaning house hunting is far easier than in many states. Our beautiful communities truly shine with holiday warmth. From the cozy interiors of our low-maintenance homes to the genuine kindness of our neighbors, this season reinforces why Delaware is such a beloved place to retire. The holidays here are just delightful. You can enjoy the festive charm of the Lewis Christmas Parade, take a sophisticated holiday tour at a historic museum, or stroll through the dazzling lights at a place like Shelville Winter Celebration down in Rehoboth. Plus, remember that year-round bonus. Tax-free shopping makes buying those holiday gifts or new home furnishings just a little bit sweeter. Now let's talk about a strategic advantage. You might think the market closes down in December, but this month holds the keys to efficiency. Who is looking for a home right now? Serious, motivated buyers who are ready to close before year end for tax purposes or who need to relocate for a job. For our dreamers who want to sell, this means your home stands out with less inventory competition, often leading to faster decisions and smoother transactions. For those of you looking to buy, settling in December gives you access to a quieter market, ensures you are all cozy and tax compliant for the new year. When you factor in Delaware's top-ranked affordability for retirees, thanks to the no sales tax and senior income exclusions, making your move now is a strategic financial step for 2026. Whether your dream is a low-maintenance condo near the beach or a quiet home near family in the north, our approach is all about finding the rhythm that works best for you. Don't let the holiday season pause your plans for a better future. We can help you navigate the process with minimum stress and maximum efficiency. If the spirit of the season has you ready to embrace a wonderful new chapter in the first state, let's connect for a friendly, no-pressure chat. We'll help you unlock your December advantage. Wishing you and yours the warmest of holidays. We're here when you're ready to explore. Take care and talk to you next year. Thanks. Bye.